Your phone helps you create money, unlike a wallet that makes it simple to spend money. Additionally, you can earn money from your phone without having access to your wallet. It can be confusing to begin because there are so many different methods to use your phone to make additional money. Hello everyone, welcome to a brand new video on the channel. Today we are going to talk about how to make money with smartphones. Before we get started with the video, don't forget to smash the like button, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get started. Number 10. Use an investment app. Even though you might be hoping for some more cash right now, planning for the future is one of the finest choices you can make. There are some fantastic investing applications available that can assist you in earning money from your phone right now, while also increasing the value of your phone as you age. Betterment is a combination of investing and savings designed for those who want to take control of their money. The software allows you to define objectives and then design an investment strategy that will help you achieve those objectives. You can set up an automatic monthly deposit and put off investing if it gives you the willies. Number 9. Be a user testing participant. Brands are interested in hearing what consumers think about their goods and services. Additionally, some of them will pay you for your opinions. A company called User Testing assists brands in obtaining this crucial input so they can keep improving their products. Participants can receive $4 USD for a 5-minute user test and $10 USD for a 20-minute user test, according to the website. Earnings for live interviews range from $30 to $120. You must respond to a few screening questions in order for user testing to match you with appropriate goods and services to test. If you're interested in user testing, you should also research UTest. Number 8. Fill out surveys. Surveys are probably nothing new to you. They might be a nice idea if you're stuck at home, on your daily commute, or in a DMV line, even though they might not be the best use of your time overall. You get paid to complete surveys on this app, in addition to other tasks like watching videos, playing video games, and reading emails. Members may receive benefits like coupons and rebates for online purchases in addition to cash payments. You can get paid for providing your web browsing information in addition to responding to survey questions. You can exchange your points for gift cards or cash whenever you complete surveys or provide data. Number 7. Run a Shopify store from your phone. You can operate an online store right from your hand. Did you know that? Yes, Shopify provides a mobile app that gives you access to all the tools you need to run your store from your phone. The Shopify app lets you add products, manage inventory, process orders, assess different sales channels, communicate with customers, and even monitor revenue levels. The Shopify mobile app allows you to manage your day-to-day store operations while you're on the go, even if you may first need to set up your store on a desktop. Number 6. Earn rewards for playing games. The market for smartphone apps currently has thousands of games available. There are some apps available that can help you make money while having fun. However, the majority will only give you a method to pass the time. For instance, the software Misplay allows you to receive incentives for playing games on your phone. You gain units, Misplay's in-app currency, by playing and leveling up in games on the platform. After that, you may exchange your units for gift cards to merchants like Amazon, Best Buy, and iTunes. There are games in many different genres available, such as strategy, adventure, card, and survival games. Number 5. Instag. Instag can be an excellent choice to generate money from your phone if you want to earn gift cards. Take surveys to get the greatest money. But there are other ways to make money, such as internet buying, gaming, and video watching. There are more than 360 different gift card possibilities available. Additionally, because all gift cards are digital, you receive them right away. Number 4. Mechanical Turk. Do you wish to obtain complimentary gift cards? You ought to think about using Mechanical Turk, an income source offered by Amazon. Sincerely speaking, Turk works well on PCs and tablets. This suggests that Turk may not work properly on your iPhone. But there are also some tasks, hits, that are responsive to mobile devices. You must ascertain what functions best for your phone. Taking surveys and entering data from photographs are two options. Number 3. Inbox Dollars. After Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars is perhaps the biggest get paid to website. With Inbox Dollars, there are numerous ways to earn money. Some of these activities include watching movies, doing surveys, playing games, and reading emails. You can think about signing up for 2 platforms to increase your daily earning potential by half. You might sign up for Swagbucks in addition to Inbox Dollars, or you might sign up for one of the other services on this page. Inbox Dollars may be a better choice if you would rather earn cash than gift cards. You also get a $5 welcome incentive for signing up. Number 2. Swagbucks. Swagbucks also pays you to conduct online searches. There may be moments when it seems like these tasks aren't even work. Points will be awarded for each assignment that is finished. Your points can be redeemed for gift cards or PayPal cash. You can redeem gift cards for your preferred restaurants and shops, starting at $3. Additionally, you can receive a $5 sign-up bonus. Number 1. MyPoints. Swagbucks' sibling website is MyPoints. The prize selections can vary, but the earning opportunities are the same. For instance, you might complete an activity and receive 1,000 MyPoints and just 500 Swagbucks points. Or if Swagbucks doesn't have a gift card deal, MyPoints might. You might not find the overlap with Swagbucks appealing, but at least you are aware of what MyPoints will offer. That's a wrap on the video. I hope you liked it. If you did, let me know by giving it a thumbs up. And do not forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.